Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the iced peppermint white mocha. This is a cool drink here, and it's a combination of the white mocha and the peppermint mocha, which is a Christmas drink. I love the peppermint mocha, and iced, it's just too nice. So we got some whipped topping on top, a little chocolate chip or chocolate shaved pieces. And the white mocha is, I think, one of my favorite drinks from Starbucks. The iced white mocha, it's just too flavorful. And there's a lot more popularity around the white mocha nowadays. I started seeing like white mocha Starbucks creamers and stuff at the store. So the popularity of this drink is picking up, and it is an amazing drink. So I'm gonna get right into this one here. I'm excited. I've never tried one of these before, and I finally get to try it. So I love the whipped topping. It's too delicious. So, got the white mocha cream on the bottom. It's gonna be peppermint too. Oh, so it's strong peppermint, but then it's also like white chocolate. So it's delicious. The normal peppermint mocha is like really chocolatey because peppermint and chocolate kind of go together. But with white chocolate, it's like a whole new ballpark. Wow. It's strong peppermint on one. And when you first sip it, you taste peppermint. And then it kind of changes into a little bit of white mocha and back into peppermint again. That's good. I like it. White chocolate, really sweet. I'm gonna drink some of the foam here. Oh my god, it's more cold near the top. That was more white mocha flavor. It was really icy and nice. That's cool. I like this. So, peppermint, iced peppermint white mocha. The names are starting to get complicated. When you get iced, it's like iced at the start, and then peppermint mocha or white mocha or whatever it may be. Iced peppermint white mocha. Mouthful. Love some straw while I drink it. So white mocha is a really sweet, nice tasting drink. Peppermint added in, it's just too good. So I would give the peppermint iced peppermint white mocha, sorry for that, a 8 out of 10. If you like the normal peppermint mocha, you'll like this one. If you like white mocha, you might like this if you like mint. But this is it's very similar to the peppermint mocha, so if you like that, this is kind of like another version of it. Not as chocolatey, more sweet with the white chocolate. So I'm a fan. I've never had this before. Didn't even think it was a thing. And I finally get to try this out, so thank you. And I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.